Welcome to my channel on pedagogical instruction. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up a Word document. So I'll be working with Microsoft Word 2010. Please remember to subscribe for video updates and share, of course, and give a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that one. All right, in the last video, I had showed you how to create a folder on the desktop and how to create a Microsoft Word document and add that to the folder. In fact, you were taught how to create that Microsoft Word document within the folder. Now today we are going to set up the Word document. By setting up, we mean we set our margin, we select the right font, size and style for the document. So let's get going. So I'm going to double click on this folder. That's where I had saved the document we had created the last time. I am going to double click on it to open it. So I'll be doing a few things in today's video. I'll be showing you how to do the margin and also how to add other formatting features to the document. Now that the page is open, let's begin. So usually there is a default font size and style. Calibri 11 would be the font style and 11 would be the font size. So that would be the default. But when we are creating documents, the acceptable font size and style is Times New Roman font 12. So to set your font size and style, under the home menu, we click on this arrow here. That would give us a drop down menu and we'd select the font style from this list. As I indicated before, Times New Roman is the APA acceptable style, and we have font 12 as the font size. So that is how we would set the font style and size for our document. The next thing we want to do is to set our margin. So here we have the menu bar. In the menu bar, we click on page layout, then we select margin. Now, depending on the document that you're working with, you could select a normal margin, which gives you a 1 inch all around, 1 inch top, bottom, left and right. But suppose it is that you need another margin for your work, you go down to custom margin, and that is where you would set the margin of your choice. So for example, if you want an 1.5 inches left margin, you'd click on this arrow pointing up to increase, or you can simply click in the box and type the margin size that you want, then you click on OK. So that is how we set the margin for our document. The next thing we want to do is to set our line space. So to set the line space, we do that under the home menu. So under the home menu, we click here where we have paragraph. You click on this line spacing icon and you click on the line space of your choice. If you want to type your document in double line spacing, you click on 2.0 and that would set your work in 2-line spacing. So whenever you press the enter key on the keyboard, it would add your paragraphs 2-line spaces. Your sentence is 2-line spaces apart. Now the next thing we want to do is to do our page border, right? So depending on what you are doing, you may want to add border to your page. So to do that, what we do is to click on page layout from the menu bar. We click on page borders, and then you click on box because we want the border to be all around. You can choose the border color, so I'm going to select red here. You can also change the width of the line, so I want a very thick border, so I'm going to choose 3, and I need to be the whole document, so I click here. Okay, but you can also change the size, the style of the border, so I could change it to this one, and you can also add art to it depending on your preference. Then you select OK. So this will be the border. Two other things I'm going to do is to show you how to do bold and underline and to center align your word. These are basically text formatting features. So the first thing I want to do is to show you how to bold any aspect of the sentence that you have. So for example, you would have typed a sentence and you need to highlight. You need this word important to stand out. So to make that, to bold that, you can either, when you highlight it by clicking on the left mouse button and dragging, you will see a dialog box comes up here. You can click on the B from here, or after you have highlighted your text, you can click on the B under the font formatting feature. To do the underline, you do the same. You highlight the text by left clicking with your mouse and dragging. Then you clicked on the text formatting feature, so we want to underline, so we click on the U for underlining. The next text formatting feature I'll be looking at is the alignment of your text, whether it is left alignment, center alignment, or right alignment, or simply justifying, which balances your text across the page. So we want to center align this text. All we do is to highlight the text and click on the center alignment icon under the home menu. Now please note that you can preset these features before you type. However, if you have started typing and you choose to add these features to your text, all you need to do is to highlight the text and then select that particular feature. Thanks for watching.